I'm John Evans, candidate for Clark County Recorder, and I want to talk to you for a few minutes about the misconception that the recorder's job is simply to record or rubber stamp everything that the public brings them. Anytime that there's something shady goes on or home title theft occurs, the county recorder currently uses that as an excuse. She'll say, oh, it's not our job to investigate. We just record what the public brings us. And I also hear people who've bought into that and they say, oh, that's the recorder's job. Folks, that's not true. In fact, it's dishonest. Nevada Revised Statutes 247 make it very clear that when the recorder has reason to suspect that a transaction is not authorized or involves fraud, they have what the law says are 2 judicial days to investigate that and make a decision to record it or not. And it's not really funny, it's sad that the recorder ignores that provision of the law and says, oh, we just have to record what everybody brings us. Oddly enough, there are examples of them not doing that. For instance, I have examples on multiple occasions of the Clark County Recorder's Office refusing to record someone's declaration of homestead because it didn't have a legal description. The law does not say it requires a legal description. The law says the property must be identified. You can identify a property with the street address. You can identify a property with the assessor's parcel number. It does not require an actual legal description of the property. But in those instances, they refuse to record that. Well, in that instance, she simply didn't record whatever the public gave her. She said no. I can give you examples of an individual wanting to record some business and personal and legal documents regarding their life and some declarations that weren't real estate related, and the county recorder's office gave them a letter that says, we don't record those kind of things. Wait a minute. Anytime you do something wrong, you say, oh, it's not our fault. We just record what the public gives us. And then when you don't want to do that, you say, no, we don't record this. Folks, that's dishonest, and that's a double standard. And if you elect me as your Clark County Recorder, we won't have that double standard. We'll follow the law, protect you from home title theft. We'll record anything that meets the legal requirements for recording, because that's what the job requires. That's what the state law and the state constitution says. I'm John Evans, and I'd appreciate your support and your vote for Clark County Recorder.